Okay, in this last option, we're going to use some more traditional equipment, being a brake bar rack. So what we're going to do for this application of passing the knot in a lowering application is we're going to take that brake bar rack, we're going to pre-configure or pre-rig a section of rope through the brake bar rack with a short segment of tail coming off of it, figure 8 on a bite on the end of it with a appropriate design load carabiner, and then a prusik that we're going to fix to the tensioned primary line. So we've lowered on our system again until our knot is in close proximity to the friction control device. We're going to go ahead and do a soft lock application. We're going to hold this element. We're going to take our brake bar rack that's already got a pre-configured tail, and we're going to get this clipped right into our rigging plate. We're going to attach a prusik to the end of that tail on the brake bar rack. Once our prusik is in place, we've got a soft lock on this brake bar rack. We're either, if we're alone, going to do a full lock-off, tie-off, ensuring that that prusik is set diligently and that this system is tensioned, or we're going to have another individual hold soft lock on this. Tom's going to go ahead and come up and hold soft lock here on this device. And we're now going to undo our soft lock on the MPD. We're going to lower a little bit more on the MPD until we transfer the load to this pre-established segment on the brake bar rack. As soon as the load is transferred, we're now in that position again to unrig our MPD, reconfigure it so that the knot is on the front side of the MPD, we're going to get all the slack out of that MPD with that knot close up to the hub, get our soft lock on it, and now we're going to transfer the load back to the MPD utilizing brake bar rack manipulation. So we're now going to take off our soft lock on the brake rack, pull down on our bars, allow the brake rack to travel until the MPD loads. Once the MPD is loaded, we're then in a position to unrig our brake bar rack. And remove that piggyback section and go back into our lowering operations. The only real component or advantage that you lose utilizing more traditional based equipment is that versatility of load transfer, whether you're going to haul on the piggyback or lower with the primary implement to get those loads changed over.